In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Happen app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Happen app installed and be ready to explore how it helps you discover people you've crossed paths with in everyday life. Before we start, a quick overview of what Happen does. It's a location-based dating app that shows you profiles of people who have been nearby recently. When two people show interest in each other, it's a match, and you can start a conversation. It's designed to make real-world proximity meaningful, turning everyday moments into potential connections. Let's get it installed. Grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the safest and most reliable place to get the official version. On the Play Store home screen, tap the search bar at the top. Type Happen, all lowercase, and look through the results. You're looking specifically for the listing titled Happen Dating App by the developer Happen. Double-checking the name and developer is a simple way to avoid lookalike apps. When you found the correct one, tap it to open the app's page. Here you can glance at screenshots, read the description, and check ratings if you'd like a bit more context about features and overall experience. When you're ready, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app, then automatically install it. Depending on your connection speed and available storage, this can take a moment. A stable internet connection helps, and having a bit of free space ensures a smooth install. Once the button changes to open, tap it to launch Happen for the first time. You'll land on the welcome screens where you can sign in or create an account. Just follow the on-screen prompts at your own pace. Keep in mind that Happen relies on location to work as intended, so you may be asked to grant location access. You're in control of these permissions, and you can review or adjust them in your device settings later if needed. That's all it takes to get the app on your phone. To recap, we opened the Google Play Store, searched for Happen, chose the official Happen dating app by Happen, tapped install, waited for it to finish, and then opened the app to sign in or create an account. With that, you're ready to explore nearby profiles and make connections when the interest is mutual. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting started with Happen on your Android device.